Open this up. Sanju Verma is the national spokesperson of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Dr. Rajkumar Rajan, the national spokesperson of the Rashtriya Janata Dal. Vivek Kumarji, spokesperson of the Jan Suraj Party. Nikhil Jain, Dr. Akashdeep Muni, both political analysts, and Dr. Anand Ranganathan completes this panel. Nikhil, what do you make of the two visuals that I just spoke over? Rahul Gandhi frying Imartis, jalebis, what have you in Delhi, and Prime Minister Modi on INS Vikrant.
Pranesh, so you said that the people of Bihar are not going to vote for the person who makes the best jalebis. I'll also say that the people of Bihar are also not going to vote for the person who wears the best fancy dress. Now, I'm not naming any names, so I would hope that you or the BJP spokesperson are not going to jump and pounce at me. Secondly, चिराग पासवान स्टेटमेंट यू प्लेड हु सेज कि महागठबंधन अपनी 4-5 पार्टियों को साथ नहीं रख सकता, ये वही व्यक्ति बोल रहे हैं जिनका गठबंधन इनका घर का सामान घर में नहीं रख पाया था, घर का सामान घर से बाहर फेंक दिया था। रामविलास पासवान जी की तस्वीर सड़क पे पड़ी थी एंड आज चिराग पासवान आके बोल रहे हैं कि महागठबंधन को साथ में रहना नहीं आता। See, at the end of the day, Pranesh, the voters of Bihar are very smart. They know the alliance that they have to vote for. They know the alliance that is going to stand up for their rights. The alliance that, made sure that vote chori campaign was a success, that the election commission had to cave down under the orders of the Supreme Court, that millions and millions of voters could not be disenfranchised. And it is the Gathbandhan, it is the alliance that is talking about employment in Bihar and not some sort of fancy dress competitions or kurta phad competitions that are happening in the NDA alliance right now.
Fancy dress competition, let me just correct you, Nikhil. Maybe you become so insensitive or maybe you're ignorant. The uniform is not some fancy dress. That's the uniform that our, braves don. That is not fancy dress. The clothes that the Prime Minister is wearing is not fancy dress. So I just wanted you to know what you're talking about. Now, Dr. Muni, look at what's happening in the Congress camp. Forget the BJP. Are you happy with the turn of events? People are saying ticket chori ho rahi hai, tickets are on sale, there is corruption.
See, Pranesh ji, we have to understand Bihar politics altogether. Talking about the seat sharing, what you were talking in the initial part. In 2000 Bihar Assembly elections, the BJP and JDU were in alliance. Still, JDU and BJP were fighting against each other on many seats. Like in this case, this time, Congress and RJD. 2020 Bihar elections, it happened when Lok Janshakti Party, then ally of BJP at national level, decided to go solo and field candidates against BJP and NDA allies, including JDU. So this type of coalition is not new to Bihar. Talking about what actually people will be voting. And NDA has been in power since last 20 years in Bihar. But still Bihar is the poorest state of India. If BJP isn't able to do Vikas, let's other do the Vikas. As per the National Multidisciplinary Poverty Index.
No, one minute, Dr. Muni. Why do you complicate a debate as straightforward as this? Numbers pe aap aa jayega. I'm not stopping you from, listing data. But you are saying the BJP has left Bihar or the NDA has left Bihar, in doldrums. So let the other two parties. Other two parties, is the Congress even a party in Bihar? Are you even in the reckoning? Look what's happening in your camp. Are you prepared for the role that you want? आपके अपने नेता आपस में लड़ाई कर रहे हैं. एयरपोर्ट पे आपके नेता पे हमला हो गया. किसने किया? पार्टी वर्कर्स ने किया. आपके नेता बोल रहे हैं कि टिकट्स 5 करोड़ में बेची जा रही है.
उपेंद्र कुशवाहा तो एनडीए में है, पर वो बोल रहे हैं कि ना कि इस बार कुछ भी अच्छा नहीं है एनडीए में. उपेंद्र कुशवाहा वो कांग्रेस के तो में नहीं है. जेडीयू एमपी खालिद अनवर तो एनडीए में है. वो बोल रहे हैं नीतीश कुमार योगी आदित्यनाथ के विकास वर्सेस बुरखा रिमार्क से अग्री नहीं करते और वो कभी भी एंडोर्स नहीं करेंगे ऐसा पॉलिटिक्स. आई एम कोटिंग, इट इज इन पब्लिक डोमेन. पहली बार इतने सारे क्रिमिनल्स को टिकट दिया गया. प्रदीप महतो को टिकट दिया गया जनता दल यूनाइटेड से, जो अशोक महतो के नेफ्यू हैं, जो एक गैंगस्टर है, नॉन गैंगस्टर है बिहार में, कोई भी बिहार में जानता है उनको. लवली आनंद, वाइफ ऑफ फॉर्मर एमपी आनंद मोहन, जो जेल में है. रामा देवी, विडो ऑफ बिहारी प्रसाद, नॉन गैंगस्टर. ये सब होने के बाद
नाम छूट गया आपसे, एक नाम छूट गया. शहाबुद्दीन का नाम शायद आप भूल गए या वो दूसरे पेज में होगा. देखिए, जस्ट टर्न ओवर द पेज, यू विल हैव हिज नेम. Shahab. And by the way, this Upendra Khushwaha example does not work because despite the differences, there is discipline. Has he done something which hurts the alliance or the interest of the alliance, which is not the case in Mahagathbandhan?